What's going on, guys? Mike here, living with 3M Auto Vlogging. I'm gonna show you guys how to change out your own battery in your truck or car. You can get AutoZone, Advance, O'Reilly's to do it for you, but if that's not an option, I'll show you how. All right, let's pop the hood. All right, and if you guys will notice, the battery that I've had for the last 4 years, well, 3.5 years, is Megastart. It's actually a deep cycle marine battery that I had off my boat. The only issue was I had to stretch my wires to this side when the factory battery posts are on this side. So I sort of had to make that work, but it was no issue until now. The battery's been dying.
Did you hear the Energizer Bunny got arrested?
No, what happened?
Yeah, he was charged with battery.
Now, I'm not going to sit here and tell you guys which battery I think you should put in your car. I went ahead and went with the DieHard Gold because it had a 3-year warranty, and plus, I'm on the side of the road. I need a damn battery. So this entire process can be done with a 10mm wrench or socket. Even if you just have this, I just wanted to lay this out here just to show you if you had an adjustable. Just be careful you don't round the edges off of your nuts. And when you're taking this off, careful you don't take off these terminals, which will release any wires down here. This is the main one. You just want to loosen it, and you move it back and forth. Let me get my hand out of the way where you can see. There it comes, works its way loose. Got the negative loose. We're gonna loosen with the 10mm wrench. We're gonna loosen the positive. There again, you just loosen. You don't have to remove it all the way. All right, so we are loose as far as terminals. The next thing is this 8mm hold down. It's a battery hold down or tie down. And what I did, I don't have an 8mm with me. You can see the trusty adjustable works wonders. So it's loose. All right, guys, I did not bring my tripod, but I've got the phone propped up. Hopefully I won't knock it off. And this sucker is heavy. Good gracious. So now we're gonna install the DieHard. How many cranking amps? 650, and the DieHard has 730. So even though this one is a smaller battery, that has been a good marine dual purpose battery in the vehicle. So if somebody tells you you cannot run these batteries in your vehicle, I did it for 3.5 years and it was great. Hey guys, if you're enjoying the video and you have not done so yet, go on over to my channel page, check out my DIY list.
Isn't anybody gonna help that poor man?
And if you will, when you get over there, click subscribe, smash the like button, hit that bell notification. It'll let you know when I go live or upload a new video. Guys, I really appreciate everybody subscribing, helping your boy out. This battery's still heavy, but it's not near as heavy. All right, screw that right down in there. I'll tighten it down. You have a heat barrier, so it just protects the outside edges of the battery. So that's from the factory, Ford Motor Company, as you can see. Y'all already seen the look on the Advance Auto guys. Y'all already seen the look on the Auto. Y'all would have seen the look on the Advanced Auto Parts guy's face when I brought in my core being a boat battery. Okay, negative tightened, positive tightened, and protective cover put back on. 8mm anchor, battery anchor, so the battery doesn't flop around. And just also, I've had a couple questions about this. This is the NoCo Genius that I have that's also attached to the battery, guys, and this is my battery tender or the trickle charger that, let me show you this back here. So we come right here up under the front. I have a video on this. Look at that. That's hidden away. Plug a drop cord into it. And see, you can't see it at all. Plug a drop cord into it. This will light up and it will maintain your battery. If yours is like mine, I do not drive my truck daily. All right, to be sure everything is installed correctly and the battery is the way it should be,